Hello everyone, this is Vishwan Rana. Once again, welcome back to my YouTube channel English with Vishu sir. So very long time I had a good fortune to make video on my YouTube channel. I think 1 year has been passed, and after 1 year I'm going to reach at Kamleshwar Mahadev temple in Prola block with my family members for 3 days Rudravishek rituals which is taking place in Mahadev temples. I'm going to show you the holy pond, the statue of Hanumana, and what kind of worship is performed here. So let me show you. Finally, you can see the view of Kamleshwar Mahadev temple here. And you know very well that this pilgrimage site is very well known in Uttarakhand, and it is around 125 kilometers far from Uttarkashi district and 4 kilometers from Jarmula Dhar and 3 and 4 kilometers from Vindhyadgaon as well. As a matter of fact, I reached here in order to perform puja like Rudravishek rituals with my family members under the guidance of two priests, Mr. Govindaram Pandit ji and Mr. Mioram Sastri ji. Here you can see Nandi well, and here is a very beautiful view of nature. The Kamleshwar Mahadev temple is surrounded by the dense forest. Around me there are a lot of holy cottages in which many sages and devotees stay. Let me show you the holy pond. The holy pond here. Pond, and many devotees visit here and dip into the holy pond. And hereafter, let me show you the statue of Panchamukhi Hanumana. Statue of Panchamukhi Hanumana. So really, this pilgrimage site is very well known in Uttarakhand. There are lots of holy cottages. Here is Divit Rana. He's very happy, and nephew Mitul Rana is also busy. He's taking water from the pond, the holy cottage of Nath Babaji. View of Kamleshwar Mahadev temple, and here is dense forest full of oak trees, burans trees and pine trees as well. You can see. Of ground here, both sides, and inside you can see the famous well-known Shivalinga is here. There are many idols here like Hanumana, Mata Parvati, and Bhole Shankar as well. Let me tell you a little bit something about the mythological significance of this Mahadev temple. It is believed in Hindu mythology that once upon a time there was worship in Rameswaram, and it was need of Shivlinga. It is said that Hanumana moved to Himalayas Parvat when Hanumana brought Shivlinga from Himalayas, and was told to Hanumana, don't place Shivlinga on ground on any places. But when Hanumana came this place, and all of a sudden Hanumana saw a lotus flower here, so then Hanumana moved to pluck lotus flowers. When he returns, he couldn't lift the Shivlinga. So that's why this place is known Sri Mahadev Temple, Sri Kamleshwar Mahadev Temple due to lotus flower. So, my dear friends, and let me tell you a little bit that those couples who have no springs, they visit here. The purpose to get spring, the purpose to progeny, and they perform puja here. They perform a puja of Lord Shiva. Shravan is the holy month for Lord Shiva, like Shivratri. The most and very famous, many devotees come from war and wide places here for getting blessings. So it is also said in Hindu mythology that those couples who have no springs, they visit here, and at night times they light a kharadia ghee lamp and they offer prayer here. And it is also said that those couple who have no children, they bind a potli around their waist in which they put like coconut, panchimeva and rice as well, and they find desired result here. So, my dear friends, it's a very peaceful pilgrimage site, and mostly evening times, at night times, many devotees visit here, and they, they perform a purification ceremony inside the temple with music as well, and lots of devotees play different kinds of carols and hymns inside the temples. So this is a really very peaceful site, and really a very long time. I think 1 year has been passed. I came back to these places in order to perform puja like Rudrabhishek rituals under the guidance of two priests with my family members. So really, whenever I find this place, I get peace here. So at last, I pray to Lord Mahadeva, fulfill your wish, your desired result, and may God bless you all, whatever you want in life, and fulfill your dreams as well. Thank you so much.